Hello everyone, my name is Luiz. I'm here with Vinicius Senger. He's a Java champion. We are at NetNexus, and yesterday we had a great discussion about Digital Reborn. So Vinicius, my question for you is, what is Digital Reborn for you, and how is this connected with AI?
That's great. Thank you for the opportunity. So I've been working in a project called the Renaissance Computing, which is the Digital Reborn. I believe that we arrive in a moment in the industry that it's time to rethink how we are using tech in our lives. Also, I believe that we spend a lot of time taking care of the machines, taking care about the internet, about the cloud, data infrastructure, and then AI. And now it's time to take care about us, humans.
That's interesting.
And then I think that if you look at the general society, banks don't want you to be successful in money and saving money. They want you like paying monthly like mortgages and things like that. The pharmacy, they don't want you healthy, and companies don't want you having time beside work. So we need to take care back the control over our time, our money, and our health. And we need to use computers and AI to help us to achieve there. So because of that, I'm developing a piece of software called Remoney. Remoney puts together modern Java using Java 25, Quarkus, MCP, and all the good stuff. I'm using a UI framework called Qt for Quarkus that is awesome because it's all HTML and JavaScript, no React, no hell in the UI, but you can do like limited UI, but enough for the things that I want to build. With Remoney, it's a piece of open source software, and I designed Remoney with instructions in the source code in a way that will help end users to vibe code Remoney. So it's a piece of software that is being designed since the beginning, having in mind that our end user, not a completely end user, not my grandmother, but the one that used to do like VBA code inside Excel, is the one that will be able now to take an open source project and not just use that, but modify that. So, because we use open source for a long time, but just use it as is. I don't have two friends that modify the Linux code, 2 or 3 friends maximum. But now with AI and vibe coding and all the models helping us to become developers or better developers or more efficient developers, the reality of softwares is now the new tendency is self-aware. That's the word. And then the other thing is like self-hosted. For taking care about your productivity, it's better to have the software running in your PC. That's the reason why people use Outlook, right? Because they want to have, like you can do Gmail. Gmail is fine, but took years to have like something. And then if you are offline, you don't have access to that. So that's bring to the concept of digital harvest. Using AI agents, in the future, you can have agents that overnight go to the internet and harvest the data that you need to survive the next day. It's like in the old times when you have someone going to the bakery to get fresh bread early in the morning. So fresh bites come to your computer, and then you can start your early morning looking at the waves forecast. I'm a surfer. Wind forecast. I'm a sailor. The traffic, if you are a businessman. And then like you can have all the information in advance, like the agent go to your bank and grab your updates and update your local system. You wake up, you press one button, and you can hear your balance and how much, what you need to pay, and then what is coming on, like now it's tax season, you have this life event, hello, good morning, it's been like 3 nights that you are not sleeping pretty well,
Yeah.
like
That would be
and then
great.
look that you want to spend too much time in the Facebook marketplace looking for the user surfboards, like you need to save that time to do more, like we need to have computers, we need to switch, look, we need to have computers helping us to operate our lives. These days we help computers to operate softwares. We need to switch that. And we need to wake up and have your computer with the intention of helping you to succeed in your life. And being successful is taking care about your money, your time, and your health. I know that for me, it's super hard to take care 3 of them at the same time.
Yeah.
But if you do, if you don't take care of neither 3,
You're lost. Maybe.
you're lost. Taking care of your money is a good way to start.
Okay.
If you are like, because I know that my family members and many developers, they prioritize other stuff.
Yeah.
But then we need to take care about our money, and then take care about our health, and then take care about our time, and then you need to be good in 2 of those 3. Like you need to be good. And then that's the way, like let's pay attention to that, and let's help to create the new computer generation that based on AI, on agents, and all these beautiful technologies, we can have more productivity, less subscriptions.
Yeah.
Less subscriptions, because we can build our software. Why you are paying for
We
subscriptions?
pay for lots of subscriptions right now.
Let's do it your software. Let's
So
do it
the
yourself.
software.
The
is-
software.
You build software for yourself.
That's-
So with AI, everyone becomes builders, right? You can build small solutions for yourself.
Yeah.
Like Remoney.
Yeah, like Remoney. Yeah,
And you mentioned that Remoney is open source, right?
yeah.
How can
Remoney.
people reach for the Remoney code?
Renaissance Computing, there is a GitHub repository. You can put it here. I will send you
Yeah.
the link. And then we have the idea, the ReOS, that is the Renaissance operational system, is a manifesto.
Okay.
And then we have Remoney as a reference implementation of a renascent software that can reborn in the user's machine based on their needs.
Yeah, you can rebuild for yourself,
And
for your needs.
we have the Rebutton, that is Rebutton, that
Nice.
is how to use an audio interface to operate your computers. Because I'm also tired of using mouse and keyboards
Okay.
to get my bank balance. Come on, you cross like 1,000 pixels with your mouse. Click here, click there, logging here, logging there, just to get your account balance. We need to figure out better ways to use computers. And I did the Rebutton project to show, like, let's think outside the box. It's time to rethink, rebuild, and reborn.
Nice. So Vinicius, thank you so much for this conversation. And how can people reach out to you?
LinkedIn. So connect with me on LinkedIn, drop me a message, and join us on the GitHub repository. Let's go together, or just use providing feedback or anything.
That's important. Feedback is always important.
And let's be together. It's important for us to create this community of people that want to take control back from your data and from your life.
Nice. That's awesome. Thank you so much, Vinicius. I was here with Vinicius Senger, Java champion, and I am Luiz, and this was me asking a Java champion. Thank you so much. See you.
Peace and love.